Le draw isho okukhulu Shane. Isho kona ukuthi i-management ye-Sundowns kumele ukuthi ibone ngenye indlela abalandeli abayicele noma nje bangathi mhlawumbe 10 rand itikiti Shane. Akuhambe kuyoba yelo Shane because i-pressure iku-Sundowns. I-MC Alger khumbula ukuthi maye ngathola i-draw ya qualify. I-pressure iku-Mamelodi Sundowns. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama-supporter we-Sundowns if bangathenga amatikiti ngebuningi Shane bahambe bayigcwalisa le yankundla bafike early. Hayi ukuthi ufika early stadium ukuthi kuyo-attack abo-coach Rulani no kuyofika lapha bayisupporta leya team ye-Mamelodi Sundowns bafike early 2-3 hours before Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya draw yanamhlanje angeke siyibone mhlambe is-disappointing ngalendlela but khumbula ukuthi kuze manje i-draw ungayiboni ibalekile ku-Sundowns ileya lose ileya draw oyithole la udlala ne-team I mean in Al Hilal bekungamelanga udraw ekhaya so umsebenzi bozoba lula uma ungadraw ngaphandle uwina ekhaya but now because uhlulekile uwina ekhaya Shane uma so draw away akusabonakali ngathi udlale kahle because so good disadvantage now it's a must win game it's a do or die kumele ukuthi i-support hambe Shane yo support le team ithole 3 points.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.